Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. During this next series of videos, I'm going to be out here. I'm fishing the Bon Secour River. This is brackish water. It's salty, but not super salty. Let's get down there to my private pier, see if we can get us some nighttime catfish. How about that lightning? There are storms on the way. I'm using shrimp on the bottom. We'll see what happens. So I'm going to walk out there, cast it out, and come back underneath the deck where I won't get wet. There we go. Let's wipe off the camera lens. Hopefully this will prevent me from getting struck by lightning. And I'm not getting as wet. I can feel the rain hitting the rod. Hopefully I can still determine when it's a fish. There's a bite. Got a fish. Let's get out here, see what I got. Croaker, can you hear him? All right, let's get this croaker off of here. Hear him? All right, got this nice little croaker. Listen. Yeah. He'd probably make good bait if I go get the bigger setup, but I'm just going to keep fishing with the shrimp for now. Let's let him go. Let's check our shrimp, get it back out there. Back under the deck. It makes me happy. I'm happy to get a croaker. I already got one catfish earlier. Hopefully I can get something else. If I put a smaller hook on here, I probably have a better chance of hooking more croakers. I'm not exactly sure what I could catch if I put a big old croaker on there as bait. Maybe a big redfish. Maybe a big catfish. Fish on. We'll see what I got. It's another croaker. Thing is, if I cast that big one out and leave it sitting there, that thing's like a lightning rod. I'm not sure what to do. Happy to get another croaker though. It's got sharp little gill plates. Trying to get a good look at them without getting all cut up. There we go. Nice little croaker at night. Let's find a smaller hook. Let's see if I have any better luck hooking them. Got him. Let's go see what I got. Doesn't feel very big. Let's look at him in the light. It's another croaker, a little bit bigger this time. Jumped right off the hook. There we are. All right, stop. Let's get him back in the water. When it's late at night and it's raining on your first day of vacation and you're out here fishing, you know you like fishing. I got a fish on. This is a good one. This feels like a better fish. All right. Oh, this one's pulling. Yeah, this feels bigger for sure. What is this? Catfish? There we go. What do we got here? Look at the bend in that rod. Oh, nice. Yeah, what do we got here? Oh, making a run under the pier. There we go. Get out of there. Up on the deck. Catfish. Nice big catfish. I'm gonna go get the pliers so I can get him off of here. I don't want him to fin me. If that thing sticks me with its fin, ouch. All right, let's see if we can get him off the hook. Hopefully I set the hook early enough that he's not hooked way down in there. All right, stop with all that so I can find the hook first off. Okay. Okay. There it is. There we go, got him. Let's get this big hardhead catfish back into the water. All right, back into the water. Woo, nice. I'm probably gonna have to retie after all that. Yeah, the line is pretty frayed down here by the hook, so real quick, I'm just gonna tie it back on. Oh man, am I getting soaked. But I'm doing my favorite thing, fishing. Let's get some more shrimp on here. I'm hoping for another fish. Are they all gone? What's up? There's a little bite. Missed them. Man, it is raining. There's a little nibble. Got that one. Let's see what I got. Got one. What do we have here? Feels like a decent one. Is this another catfish? What is this? Yeah, it's another catfish. Gonna get those pliers. Look at this thing jump around like crazy. See if we can get him off the hook without any problems. Don't fin me. I'm gonna have to set you down. Let's get you back in the water. Hey. There we go. Wow. What I'm most curious about is the crab trap. It's been out in the water for about an hour and a half. Let's go see if there's anything in there. Again, I was using a catfish as bait. I don't see any crabs yet. Let's get it back out there. Well, I think that's it for this evening. I caught a handful of croakers, some catfish. It was all right for my first night here. Can't wait to see what I get into tomorrow. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.